What is going on, everyone? I'm Cameron, your host for today's show. We're digging into Ethereum. That's right, we review the latest monthly developments on Ethereum so you can stay informed on the top highlights. So if you can, please smash that like button and subscribe to help grow our network into the biggest crypto momentum trading channels on YouTube. Now, on to the show. So let's dig in and talk about how Ethereum just hit its new all-time high this month in November. Okay, so let's dig on over to the chart. Okay, and let's just see what the chart is showing here. So yeah, we did have we did hit a new all-time high back, which is like early mid-November. Okay, and just like the broader crypto market, we've seen a huge slump right this month. Like in my previous video with Bitcoin, I'm gonna put a link up so you guys can see what's going on with my Bitcoin video I just released. But just the whole market right now is slumping. And there's last week CNBC, Reuters came out with an article saying like the whole market it's in a bear market territory. And listen, I just think this is some natural pullback here. Okay, let's go over here. I just think this is some just natural pullback we see in this range here. Okay, let's see if I can brighten this up a little bit. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So if you could just see here, I just think that this is just natural pullback in this territory, right? And is there reason or cause to be concerned? I don't know. This, like I said, and like my Bitcoin, this is just the crypto, vol. Like I don't think that, Ethereum is in a bear market. I just think it's a short-term pullback, and that we are going to see probably a new all-time high going into 2022. I'm not making that prediction. I'm just saying I wouldn't be surprised if we see that if we see that going forward. Okay. So on to the weekly chart. Okay. And let's just transition over to the weekly chart. I'm still not seeing a bear market in Bitcoin or crypto. And we're still very healthy, as you can see here. We're still very healthy when it comes into, this big pounding off of that we had that summer slump, and then this just week over week, Ethereum has been trending well. I mean, there's a slight slowdown. You can say, we're still above the EMA 12 since this is the weekly chart here. Remember, this is 12 observations back, so this is like 3 months. Okay, so its 3-month price is saying its the EMA 12 price is 39.53, and we're trading at in the 4,200 range. So I think, yeah, granted, there's a slight pullback. Next week we could see some reversal. We could drop all the way back down to what week is this? Like the week of October 25th. But I'm still very confident with just the general flow of Ethereum, and I am not by any measure scared of this slight pullback. If anything, this is a great time to get a discount. If you're getting brand new into the trade. And again, I'm just looking at Ethereum as a long-term investor. So now let's roll over onto the monthly chart so you can really see what I'm talking about. And also, just one more chart to show you on Ethereum and why I think that we are still very healthy for Ethereum, at least on a month-over-month basis. So let's just transition over and see what the chart says. That's the most important thing. So right here, just whole year, let's just look at 2021. This is the monthly chart. So month over month, we are doing very well. Yeah, we've had a short pullback in November. That's what the chart is showing right here. But look at these EMAs. Okay, we still look very healthy going into, in my opinion, 2022. So when I see someone like CNBC saying we're in a bear market in the broader, I'm like, listen, this is just typical vol for crypto in general. Okay, so I see, like, that's a traditional financial outlet, so they kind of have that view. But the data, the chart doesn't show that we are in a bear market. It's just a slight pullback. Okay, so and again, let's just show this chart again. This is the month over month, and we're looking really healthy. Ethereum, I'm very optimistic going into 2022 with Ethereum. So anyways, guys, that's the whole video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and again, wherever you are, good day, good afternoon, good night, but always, let's get those gains.